Dilo otra vez. Albóndiga. Muy bien. Jamón. Jamón. Croqueta. Muy bien.
Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Don't get lost when you go to Spain or a Latin American country. In this video, I will teach you 10 phrases that you will use to ask for direction in Spanish. So, if you travel frequently to Latin America or to Spain, or if you are learning Spanish, these 10 expressions will save your life. These 10 expressions are very important for you. So, let's start with phrase number 1 to ask for direction in Spanish. Número 1. ¿Cómo llego a la estación de tren? ¿Cómo llego a la estación de tren? How can I get to the train station? How can I get to the train station? ¿Cómo llego a la estación de tren? Número 2. ¿Dónde está la calle principal? ¿Dónde está la calle principal? Where's the main street? Where's the main street? ¿Dónde está la calle principal? Número 3. ¿Está cerca de aquí? ¿Está cerca de aquí? Is it close to here? Is it close to here? Número 4. Número 4. ¿Cuánto tiempo se tarda en llegar? ¿Cuánto tiempo se tarda en llegar? How long does it take to get there? How long does it take to get there? ¿Cuánto tiempo se tarda en llegar? Perfecto. Número 5. Número 5. ¿Está a la izquierda o a la derecha? ¿Está a la izquierda o a la derecha? Is it to the left or to the right? Is it to the left or to the right? ¿Está a la izquierda o a la derecha? Perfecto. Muy bien. Número 6. Número 6. ¿Hay una parada de autobús cerca? ¿Hay una parada de autobús cerca? Is there a bus stop nearby? Is there a bus stop nearby? ¿Hay una parada de autobús cerca? Número 7. Número 7. ¿Es seguro caminar hasta allí? ¿Es seguro caminar hasta allí? Is it safe to walk there? Is it safe to walk there? You know, it's very important to know if the place, the area is safe, guys, when you travel. Número 8. Número 8. ¿Dónde puedo tomar un taxi? ¿Dónde puedo tomar un taxi? Where can I take a taxi? Where can I take a taxi? ¿Dónde puedo tomar un taxi? Perfecto. Muy bien. Buen trabajo. So, remember we are learning expression to ask for directions if you travel to Spain or Latin America, so in Spanish, of course. And don't forget that we have a Spanish course for complete beginners. I will leave you the link in the description. With this course, you will take your Spanish from scratch to the next level. You will speak Spanish with this course. I prepared 24 lessons where you can learn all the Spanish you need in the level beginner. So, a present for you. I always forget to remind you that this is a present from me to you. 80% discount for you because you are subscribed to my channel. If you aren't subscribed now, but for all subscribers of my channel, 80% discount for the course. And don't forget to like this video if you are learning something. Don't forget to share it, comment with the expression that you use when you ask for direction, or with your favorite expression. Help me to grow the channel. For you it's free, but for me it's very, very important. Thank you guys. Muchas gracias. Número 9. ¿Puedo ir en metro? ¿Puedo ir en metro? Can I go by metro? Or can I go by underground? ¿Puedo ir en metro? Número 10. Gracias por la ayuda. Gracias por la ayuda. It's very important to thank people. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Gracias por la ayuda. Muy bien, chicos. Excelente. I'm very proud of you, to be honest. You are learning a lot of expressions and you are excellent students. Let me just remind you that if you want to do, if you're in the level beginner and you want to do a full course, you want to speak Spanish in 1 month following my method, the method that I apply in that course, I have a course online with 24 video lessons that you can do 1 lesson every day, and the course covers all the content you need to complete the level beginner. So I will leave you the link in the video in the description if you want to start it. So thank you for watching the video, thank you for like the video, thank you for subscribe. Muchas gracias y nos vemos en el próximo video. Hasta luego.